I would consider Facebook groups today's secret weapon. I've talked about them before. Gary Vee has talked about them many, many times. And the reason Facebook groups, as opposed to your business page, are so effective is because people communicate forth and back. Your business page is super critical, and it's your broadcasting mechanism for your posting, for your outreach, for your ads. But Facebook groups is where you invite people that then communicate and actually create content themselves. So the key to Facebook groups is to have hyper focused local Facebook groups, drilled down to the level of your neighborhoods or areas or parts of the town that you want to talk real estate about. In most cases, you're going to find that there are very few, if any, Facebook groups with that niche appeal. So the way to go about it is to create groups and then start creating content for that group. And you want to be consistent in your content creation. You need to create content ideally once a day, but at least 3-4 times a week. And you don't want to be salesy. You want to just post content and, by the way, let people know that you're obviously a real estate professional. You want to have a gate to joining the group. You want to make sure that no other real estate professionals are going to join the group. And then you want to spend a little bit of money and do some Facebook marketing to drive awareness to the group. You know, Gary Vee says if you get 90 people to join your group within 1 year, you're going to have probably well over 5,000 people in that group by the second year, and you are the expert and driver in that group. You're the person that people are going to connect with and contact, and you're able to reach out to these people in that group to market your services, in this case, real estate. Give it a try. You'll be surprised how effective it can be. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.